Hello everyone, welcome to Pirtle Real Estate. Our featured house today is a house in southern Indiana we just purchased. And I want to start off by saying, if you or anyone you know is looking to sell their house fast and for top dollar, we'd be glad to help you guys out. If you want to skip the showings, the home inspections, the repairs, the repair requests, the hassle, the stress of trying to sell your home, the stress of trying to figure out what you're going to do with all the belongings that's left behind, we're here to help. Take what you want and leave the rest. And we would be glad to help you out with all your real estate needs, whether it's listing it or selling it for cash. We're here to help. We'll come out and give you all your best options, and you choose which one's best for you.